Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. For that you need to launch your Bybit application, then tap on the P2P trading option. Now once you are in the P2P option, you just have to simply tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and go to User Center. In the User Center, first tap on the payment method option and then tap on Add Now. After that, you need to provide your banking details like your bank account number, its IFSC code, and your name in your bank, and bunch of other information. So after doing this step, once your bank account is added on this page, you just have to come to the P2P section again and then tap on the Sell option. Over here, if you want to change your currency, then you can even change it by tapping on the USD option, and from here you can select your own currency. Let's say I select the Australian dollars, so you just have to simply select it. Then you just have to select which cryptocurrency you want to sell. By default there will be USDT, USDC, BTC and Ethereum. So let's say I want to go with USDC. So after selecting it, it will show you the merchants associated with the USDC. You can even enter the specific amount, or you can even use the filters, so you can do it as per your convenient. Now after selecting the merchant, you just have to tap on the sell button right next to it, and then you need to just enter the amount of USDC that you want to sell. After that, you need to select the payment method as your bank account, and basically you need to sell your cryptocurrencies. Now once you receive your money into your bank account, you just have to sell your cryptocurrency on Bybit, and this way you can get your money into your bank. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.